ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Mr. Saif Ali Khan. Can we make some more noise? Welcome, sir. Thank you so much. Or should I call you Bhera? Bhera, welcome. We have a mic for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So after so many years of awesomeness, how does it feel to be called a debutant? Because this is your debut Telugu movie.
You know, I'm very excited. I remember my first shot speaking Telugu, and I had a bit of sweat running down my back, and I felt very nervous in a very, very different way. I mean, we come from the same country, but sometimes our states are really like different to one another, and going down there was a very exciting experience. I was very kind of Tariq, of NTRG, and for Shivaji to want me in the movie, because movies made in the South recently have been mind-blowing. And to get a chance to act in a film like this and to do that, for me, you're right, I felt like a newcomer. I'm really excited because I've spoken the language. It was a new language for me, and I love the movie and I love what I've done in it also. So I am excited. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing that. We'll definitely take a look at Bhera Glimpse in some time, but before that, thank you so much, sir. Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, Saif Ali Khan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to welcome on stage the leading lady of Devara Part 1. I know it's going to be very emotional for Karan sir. Of course, you know, it was her debut a couple years back, and now she's all set for her Telugu debut. Ladies and gentlemen, gorgeousness, I don't know, I'll just fall short of adjectives. Give it up for Janhvi Kapoor. Janhvi, welcome and thank you so much for being here. I know you have this very busy schedule. Uske bawajood, hats off to you that you are here and you're traveling right after that.
In exactly 28 minutes. पहले तो hi everyone, thank you so much for being here. ये मेरी डेब्यू फिल्म है और ऑनेस्टली ऐसे लग रहा है कि मेरी घर वापसी भी है क्योंकि मेरी फर्स्ट तेलुगु फिल्म है. So it's very, very, very special to me. So thank you so much for showing up with so much enthusiasm.
Right, and जो response अभी मिला है यहाँ पे, of course, जो units को response मिला है, उसके बारे में what do you have to say? People are like, this is the Jodi, NTR Junior and Janhvi Kapoor. We want to see them in every single movie. This is what people are saying.
Even I want to do every single movie with Tarak sir only. I had so much fun. I learned so much, and I think everyone knows what a big fan of him I've always been, and I think I've become a bigger fan of him after having worked with him.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much for sharing that. Janhvi, please seat lijiye, aap bhi please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we all have been waiting for, he is phenomenal. Isse pehle bhi, when he was in Mumbai, we had a lot of fun. Of course, we saw fans ka reactions, or jo reactions mile the, it was just out of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the biggest mass hero, mass superstar of our country. Give it up for man of masses, NTR Junior. That before I start talking to him, I have to say this, जो कि पूरी दुनिया बोलती है इनको, जय NTR. Last time they taught me, you know, while we were doing this for RRR, they taught me that we have to say Jai NTR, and of course the biggest mass hero of our country, NTR Junior. One more time, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Welcome. You know, this man of masses, of course, you've always कहते हैं ना, खरे उतरे हैं आप इसके ऊपर हर बार. Recently you promised something to your fans that after watching the trailer they'll be really proud of you. अब इस वक्त कैसा लग रहा है? What do you have to say to that?
जी बहुत nervous हूँ मैं पहले. To start with, बहुत nervous हूँ मैं because after RRR, this is my next film post RRR. और वैसे भी RRR was with my co-actor also, Mr. Ramcharan. This is my solo release after 6 years. So there is a lot of nervousness which is building up. But I'm very happy to launch the trailer of Devara in the city of Mumbai, because the experience we've had when we were promoting for RRR was just surreal. I mean, the acceptance of North has just shocked us all, and I hope it repeats with Devara.
I'm sure it's going to happen this time again. Just one last thing, Tarak Bhai. You know, you have to talk to us about, we know that your contemporaries, they've broken a lot of records. Every now and then we say, sales record itna bana, itne tickets bike. But here, nobody has seen the trailer ab tak. Nobody has seen it. But in North America, you are already breaking records. 1 million se upar ke pre-sales. Exactly. For the premiere. Again, I have to reiterate that nobody has seen the trailer, and you're already, the tickets are just going off the shelf. And how? What do you have to say? How do you do it?
I mean, there's nothing we've done anything about it, but I think it's God's blessings and the love which has always been showered by the fans and the audience. So I'm always indebted.
You are fabulous. Thank you so much for
so
this.
much.
And of course, looking forward to the trailer. Please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, NTR Junior, ek baar zordar taaliyan. Of course, I was talking about these units. We'll definitely, take a look at the trailer. But before that, जिन units की बात हो रही है, जिन्होंने हर जगह बहुत सारी buzz create की है, everybody just wants to catch a glimpse of the trailer. कुछ भी थोड़ा बहुत देखने को मिल जाए. So we'll play something जहाँ से इस सब की शुरुआत हुई, है ना? जिनके दिमाग से शुरुआत हुई सबसे पहले the amazing director Kortala Siva साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. यहाँ पे he is here with us. So welcome. Thank you so much. Welcome to Mumbai, and thank you so much for giving us this piece of amazingness, awesomeness. Thank you. All right. So जहाँ से शुरुआत हुई, Devara glimpse आया था, and the entire nation, or should I say the entire world, went crazy. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to play that glimpse for you. All eyes on the big screen for Devara glimpse. Welcome.
Hi.
You're presenting this movie.
Yes.
You kind of started this trend of with Bahubali, and of course AA Films के साथ मिलके you got us Bahubali. उसके बाद it all started, and look where we are today.
I have to say that firstly, thank you all members of the media and everyone here. Thank you for being here. This is an exceptional moment for us at Dharma Productions and AA Films. Just presenting Devara and seeing Tarak's and Siva's vision, literally. And you haven't seen anything as yet. You have to see what's going to unfold right now. Tarak I've known, of course, he was very gracious, I remember, where he actually presented Brahmastra to everyone in Hyderabad. It was a big moment for us. Such a massive mega star going out of his way to speak of another film, and he really impacted the box office of Brahmastra even in the South, and for that we are all eternally grateful. Thank you. And obviously his next was one of the most awaited films of Indian cinema, and we were only too happy, proud and privileged to present in Hindi Devara, the madness, magic, magnitude and magnificence of Devara. Of course, there are so many friends attached to this journey, not just Tarak, who's been a dear friend, and I told him that, this is not the end of this relationship, this is the beginning of a new one, and he knows what I'm talking about. Saif, my darling Saif, who I love, adore, not just as a filmmaker, a friend, family, everything. Just our kids playing with each other makes my heart full of love. The fact that Yash and Taimur are BFFs in school means the world to me. That Bebo and Saif's children, this is just a legacy friendship which will go on. Saif is exceptional in the film. You will realize this very soon. And what do I say about my child? Literally beaming in gold, looking as gorgeous as ever. I still remember the moment Tarak and I spoke about, casting Janvi in Devara. And for me, I felt like a proud papa when she started performing. And then look at that, my God. Matching step with Tarak is no mean task. Like, let me tell you, and she really gave it her absolute best. And of course, Anil Thadani, Apurva and I are best friends. Anil and I have been hugely close friends from college. So this is like a bunch of buddies that come together, presenting this film. There's so much love in the room, and soon there will be awe when you see the trailer.
So what are we waiting for? So with your kind permission.
Yes. Presenting to you the trailer of Devara.
All eyes on the big screen, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, so I'm going to say that, ladies and gentlemen, this is actually, do you know that this is a very privileged room because we get to see the trailer before anyone else in the world. This is the most anticipated, awaited trailer. We have a massive request. Please, and I repeat, please for the fourth time, please do not capture anything, do not post anything. You do know the official time of telecast worldwide is 5:04 p.m. and we cannot have anything out for all kinds of reasons. We do hope you respect the filmmakers' huge amount of planning strategy in going about this the right way. So we really want you to not record any of this. Just watch it, enjoy it. Trust me, it's more than worth it.
Thank you, Karan sir. Thank you so much for sharing all of that with us. Okay. So I have a couple of questions for you. And sir, I'll start with you, Karan sir. Of course, we have NTR Junior Saab, we have Saif Ali Khan, Janhvi in this movie. Siva sir is directing it. But is sabke alawa, specifically, what was that one thing that you said that yes, this is the movie that I want to present to the world, Devara Part 1?
It was nothing. He had me at hello. That's just the way. I mean, Tarak calls and you do what he wants. It's just the way it is. And you know, we not just a fan as an actor, but so much respect for his trajectory, so much respect for Siva sir, and you know, everything that he has achieved in cinema. The combination of the both of them coming together after they've made one blockbuster together, and this is heading towards being a mega blockbuster. The fact that Saif was in the film, Janhvi, I mean, it was like for us at Dharma Productions and AA Films, it was really an absolute no-brainer to have our names associated with this magnificent piece of cinema that you just witnessed.
You know, we have to say that this trio, of course, Apurva sir, Anil sir, and you should and you are getting the credit for introducing us to this pan-Indian thing. Of course, we've had movies earlier, but Bahubali ke baad it all started. What do you think is that one thing or the one USP of Devara that it's going to appeal to all the people globally?
Well, you've had all the magic and madness on land, but have you seen it on sea? It's a first. I mean, when you see what they call like the blood sea, and you see all the action that happens, you know, on the water, and the way, like, there are sequences that are just, sometimes you feel that you have a wild imagination and those can never really be fructified, but this has, like, you know, Siva sir had that imagination and then it was absolutely like executed to precision. So I think the big USP, I would say, is just the landscape of the film, the fact that water is such a star as well, and everything that happens in and around that arena really makes Devara like a standout film and clutter breaks every other massive dramatic action film you've seen in Indian cinema.
Absolutely, sir. We'll get to see this on the 27th and we can't wait to watch it now. Siva sir, welcome to Mumbai.
Thank you.
How does it feel to be here, first of all, and of course the amazing response that we've just gotten?
Firstly, thank you everyone for being here. And, a little bit tense, like this is my debut film. And I hope everyone likes the film as much as we like. Thank you.
Sir, despite being this larger-than-life superstar, what do you think is that one quality that makes this gentleman here, Tarak sir, the man of masses, so humble? How come he's so humble, you know, despite all that stardom, that persona?
Even I'm trying to find out actually.
So directing him yet again after Janta Garage, talk to us about that. Could changes aye, sir? You have to give us some masala, you have to give us something.
It's because, he's a very close friend of mine, and once he's in front of the camera, I feel that, I don't know why, suddenly he changes his persona and he looks wild actually. And every time, for every shot, I just keep staring at him.
Right. So after watching Dawoodi, I had a title or a tag for the gorgeous and the very talented Janhvi Kapoor. Of course, I sat on it for quite some time and she had to leave. She had a flight to catch. But of course, the expression queen of the Indian film industry. You've brought that out, from Janhvi. And her chemistry with this gentleman, Tarak Bhai here, it is phenomenal. People are saying, Jodiyan Karan sir banate the. Abhi, you've taken it to some other level. What do you have to say, sir?
Yeah, because they look too good on screen, and down south people feel that After NTR sir and Sridevi, now it's this NTR and Janvi.
Wow, you've said it, sir. You've said it. And Bhaira, we have to talk about Bhaira, sir. As I said, you know, the handsome, the ever so charming Saif Ali Khan, the brilliant actor. And here he's so ruthless, sir. Why would you do that to this man here?
No, even for the first time I'm seeing him like this because I never saw him like this in Hyderabad. Okay. Because he comes to the shot, I see only Bhaira, and now he's looking like a rock star. He's something new to me now.
Thank you so much for sharing all of that, and thank you so much for this amazing piece of art, Shiva sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Honored. Thank
Saif,
you.
sir, this one's for you. You know, you portrayed these dark and complex characters earlier, and as I said, everything that we've seen from you on that big screen has been awesomeness. Here, how is Bhaira different, or should I say, what were those distinct qualities or the unqualities in Bhaira that you said, yes, I want to do this?
Well, firstly, I was really excited, like I said, to get offered a big movie made, you know, from Andhra and from the South industry that's given us so many incredible movies. And I think the future is going to be collaborations between North and South. And I think of it in terms of like you say, a pan-Indian kind of scenario. Anyway, this role, I was very happy that Tarek ji wanted me in it, and Shiva sir wanted me in it. I think they'd seen Omkara and remembered it, and I have to thank Vishal ji for that still. It was a very interesting character because, you know, there's a young version, there's an older version, there's crazy makeup, and also I wouldn't, you know, it's more of an anti-hero than a straight antagonist, and there's many layers to it, and it was just absolutely lovely doing it.
Right.
It's like an entry, a debut into a new kind of cinema, and you know, according to me, the cutting edge of Indian cinema right now. So it's great for me to be here.
Well, he said it, ladies and gentlemen, he said it. You know, talking about the man of masses, of course, the world is talking about him. Aur ab se nahi, kab se. So how was it collaborating with him?
It was amazing. I mean, we met and we had a laugh from day one. He's a very easygoing person who wears his stardom lightly, which I like. And offset, a very, very friendly, welcoming person. We had a laugh from the first day, and he visited me in my van while I was waiting for a shot and made me feel so comfortable. Right. And we had a lovely laugh. He's invited me to his home and offered to cook food, and he's one of the most hospitable people I've worked with. A really, really nice, down-to-earth guy. But when the camera's on and when I saw him shooting on the set, he seems to grow in stature in front of the camera and becomes a larger-than-life person, which is a very great star quality to have. And when it's cut, he's back to being a normal, fun person. So I think he's been great, and it's been so nice working with him. He was also very patient because it's a new language for me. Right. And he was so supportive. Looking into his eyes and saying dialogues to him never made me feel anything except confident.